How to add custom fields in Wrike. In Wrike, you can create custom fields to store and track additional information related to your work. These custom fields can be added to tasks, folders, and projects, and here is how to go about it. Welcome everybody to this tutorial. Ensure you watch to the end so that you will not miss any important information. So the first step is to navigate to the folder, projects, or space where you want to add the custom field. And you can do this by logging into your account first of all, then move to the left side of the screen and then select the space that you would like to work with. For me, I'll be working with my marketing team space. So after once it has loaded and you can see the space or the project or wherever, once you can see this, the next step or the next thing to do for you to add the custom field is to go to the custom field management panel. And to go there, all you need to do is move to the top part of the screen where you can see three dots. That's the more option of a thing. Just click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed indicating import, export, copy, permalink, manage custom field. And you just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you can now go ahead and manage custom field. You can now see the custom field. Now, once you click on manage custom field, a box will be displayed in the middle of the screen, and then this box will allow you to create a new field by clicking on add field. All right, so just click on add field, and once you click on add field, you will be asked um to search field. Then you go to the lower part of the screen and click on create new field. And once you click on create new field, you have to select the kind of field it is. This is because you cannot just select or create any kind of custom field. You have to select a particular type. For me, I'll be selecting checkbox, and then you have to give it a title. So it could be sales. Then once you're done doing that, click on create, and then just like that, the custom field will be created as you can see here. And then to edit it, click on this more option, then click on edit, and then the field will be edited. Then you can click on done, and you can now see the custom field being displayed here. So this is how you can create custom fields in Wrike. Thanks for watching and have a good day.